Hey y'all, this is Joy, CEO of American Solar and Roofing. I just wanted to share with you a conversation I just had with my team a few weeks ago after I was scrolling through some social media and I saw an ad that said you can invest in solar on an old roof. I screenshotted that and within 30 seconds my team was, sending back emojis with screaming faces and shocked faces. And it's because what do we know as American Solar and Roofing, one of the only, if not the only solar company in Arizona with a roofing license, we know that the roof is the foundation for a good install. So when we recommend going solar on a rooftop, we always recommend you're looking at the roof structure. So why is a great roof so important? A great roof is important when you install new solar because solar is manufactured and warranted to last over 25 years. We've been in the industry now over 21 years. We can tell you the solar panels we installed 21 years ago are still functioning. So we want the roof to be functioning at the same time period. So having the right roof equals with shingles, how long has it been installed? Are you seeing like shiny shingles on top of the roof? Tile, are you seeing broken tile? What about the underlayment? So the roofing systems that you have need to be evaluated before you place the solar on top of it. So as you're making those final decisions, the things you want to look for is you want to have your roof inspected by a licensed roofer. You want to have the information on how long those shingles have been on your roof. You want to know if the tiles are broken. You want to know if the underlayment underneath the tile is damaged and needing repair or complete replacement. You also want to know on a foam roof if there has been bird damage, how long the coating has been there. And you finally always want to know how the solar installer is going to be attaching to the roof. Where we see the biggest damage is when the solar company does install the legs or the stanchions to the roof, they damage any remaining part of the roof, which voids your warranty altogether. So I just really wanted to share this information with you today because as you can see, the frustration with my team after we saw that ad made us all pause and understand that there's just a lot of information out there that's not as truthful as it needs to be for you as the buyer. So as you start your journey to considering solar for your home and your lifestyle, we always just encourage you to do the research and use information like this so you can make the best decision for you and your home. Again, thank you so much for your time. My name is Joy with American Solar and Roofing. And if you want any more information, please visit americansolarandroofing.com.